See the sixth part of question number 1. Solve the pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay, in this question the variables are on both the sides, x and y are here in left hand side and y and right hand side also. So in such type of question, first we reduce this pair of linear equations by this way. We divide both the terms by the variable x y, what is here in right side. Accordingly we have to divide both the sides. So in this first equation we divide both the sides by xy. It will be 6x plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon 6xy. It will be 6 only. Here also in second equation, so 2x plus 4y, which is divided by xy, and 5xy, it is reduced by xy, it will be left 5. Now this question is which is same as the fifth part only. Now you can see alongside of this question, a minus b upon x can be written a upon x minus b upon x. Here also 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6. And okay, now in other equation also 2x can be written 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. Now in both the equations something is reducing. So in first term x are reducing from numerator and denominator, here in y, in second equation x and y. Okay, now in next term remaining things have to copy down. 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6, and in other equation 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. Now we have a pair of linear equation in simplest form. Like that question can be solved by taking 1 upon y as a and 1 upon x as b. Now 1 upon 6 upon y can be written 6 into 1 upon y, and we assumed 1 upon y as a, it will be 6a plus here also 3b is equal to 6. In second question 2 upon y can be written 2a plus 4 upon x can be written 4b. 4b is equal to 5. Okay, now that is two equations, 6a plus 3b is equal to 6, 2a plus 4b is equal to 5. Now again by cross multiplication method we are going to solve this pair of linear equations, and you can apply any convenient method to solve this pair of linear equation to find the value of x and y. So I expressed this pair of linear equation in this way: a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So by cross multiplication this pattern a upon minus 15 minus 4 minus 6 ja minus 24 in bracket is equal to, for b hide the b term and 2 is multiplied with this minus 6, so minus 12 minus 6 multiplied by minus 5 in bracket minus 30. Okay, for constant term 1 upon, just hide this constant term and multiply this 6 by 4, 24 minus multiply to this 2 into 3, it is 6. Simplify this term, so it will be a upon minus 15 and minus into minus multiply plus 24. So 24 minus 15, it is here 9. So a upon 9 is equal to b upon minus 12 and minus plus 30. So minus 12 plus 30 will be 18 is equal to 1 upon 24 minus 6 is 18. So now for a term we need to take first and last term. A upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 18. So after simplification, a will be 1 upon 2, like 9 upon 18. After reducing it, it will be 1 upon 2. On the same pattern for b, take second and last term. B upon 18 is equal to 1 upon 18. 18 are cancelled from both the sides. So value for b is equal to 1. We have a is equal to 1 upon 2, b is equal to 1. Now put the value of a and b where we let in the term of x and y. Now see, 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. We have already let. So the value of a is equal to 1 upon 2 we have. So 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 2. By taking the reciprocal of both the sides, the value of y will be 2. Okay. Now for x, 1 upon x is equal to b. So instead of b we put 1. By the same pattern, x is 1 by taking the reciprocal of both the sides. That's your answer.